sure doesn't look as big without the trees. But it is. This is going to be a massive garden. Awesome. He smoothed everything out. I mean, I know this goes downhill, so it'll have to be terraced. Let me come over here and see if you can see the angle. Look at this. Well, the man does good work, I'll tell you. See, it definitely goes downhill, but that's okay. I can work with that. Gorgeous. And like I said, and if I need a little more space, I can just bring it out over to here. I just don't want to impede that pole there.